How's it going? Well, we sit here and wait for this thing to drain. Figured I might shed some light on starting your own diesel repair business. So, started this on my own about 4 years ago, and it's been tough. It's not been an easy feat, but now we're at me and two other guys. We got 2 mobile trucks and a 9,000 square foot shop. We've got roughly 30 regular customers with over 1,000 vehicles between trucks, trailers, and little box vans and stuff. And started this by myself in my pickup truck before I'd go to work, and now we're here. It's not easy. There's a lot of 16, 17-hour days getting this going, and you got to make sure that you're going to give it everything, because if you don't give it everything, you're going to get nothing. And we're still in the first 5 years, let alone the first 10. There's all those statistics, but I don't know. Statistics are silly. Anyways, click subscribe. I'm going to start doing some videos here about how much of a pain in the ass it is to start a mobile diesel repair business, and hopefully shed some light for you guys out there. There's not much videos on it, and logistics are not going anywhere. Whether it's electric or diesel, we're gonna need truck repair companies, because guess what? They're still gonna have brakes, they're still gonna have chassis, there's still gonna be steering components. I don't care if it's got an electric engine. Look at those Teslas. They've got Eaton in there. Eaton's not going anywhere. All right, guys. Good luck to everybody, and hope to hear from you. Thank you.